With Scotsman, our customers can expect to receive the ultimate ice experience. This starts with our world-class manufacturing facility in South Carolina and extends to our high-quality, reliable products and our dedicated aftercare support network. Our ice machines are innovative and versatile, providing our customers with the largest selection of Undercounter models. The complete lineup of Scotsman Undercounter ice machines are designed with space in mind. They boast a small footprint with large production capacities. Each Undercounter unit features convenient front-breathing vents, meaning no side clearance is needed and units can be installed into tight spaces. The easily removable front panel allows for quick access to internal components. Each unit includes a QR code to machine-specific information, making usage and maintenance of your machine effortless. It gives access to warranty and service information as well as user and parts manuals. The Scotsman Undercounter Cube family consists of units that make either small, medium, or gourmet cubes. Both small and medium cubes are great for mixed drinks, carbonated beverages, ice dispensing, and coffee drinks. Small cubes are especially ideal for blending and beverage dispensing, while medium cubes are ideal for cocktails and ice bagging. The Gourmet cube is our largest form of ice. This slow-melting cube is perfect for server stations, office suites, break rooms, and bar use. Scotsman's Undercounter small and medium cube ice machines are offered in 15-inch, 20-inch, and 24-inch wide platforms, with ice production ranging from 58 pounds to 270 pounds per day, and storage capacities ranging from 36 pounds to 80 pounds. Our 15-inch and 20-inch models can be used with an optional floor mount kit to allow for installation under 34-inch ADA-compliant countertops. Our 24-inch models feature a recessed utility chase, providing clearance for tight installs by sitting flush against the wall. The Scotsman CU3030 provides the largest production and storage within our Undercounter platform. Ice production reaches up to 313 pounds per day with a storage capacity of 110 pounds. Adding to its versatility is it is available in either small cubes or medium cubes. Our CU50 and CU0515 models produce the uniquely shaped crystal clear gourmet ice. This ice is slow melting and great for cocktails. Ice production ranges from 64 to 74 pounds per day, and storage capacities range from 24 pounds to 26 pounds. The Scotsman Undercounter family also consists of units that produce either Nugget or Flake ice. Soft and cylindrical, our proprietary Nugget ice has been a customer favorite for decades. Nugget ice is our most versatile form, being used in carbonated beverages, food displays, dispensing, and therapeutic applications. Flake ice provides fast cooling power with low production costs. Compressed flake pieces will mold to any shape for convenient use in seafood and meat displays, salad bars, blended cocktails, laboratories, and banquet services. The Nugget and Flake ice machines are the newest addition to Scotsman's expansive Undercounter family. We offer 15-inch, 20-inch, and 24-inch wide platforms. Nugget ice production ranges from 80 pounds to 340 pounds per day, and storage capacities ranging from 36 pounds to 80 pounds. Flake ice production ranges from 90 pounds to 440 pounds per day, and storage capacities ranging from 36 pounds to 80 pounds. Our 15-inch and 20-inch models can be used with an optional floor mount kit to allow for installation under 34-inch ADA-compliant countertops. Our 24-inch models feature a recessed utility chase, providing clearance for tight installs by sitting flush against the wall. All Undercounter Flake and Nugget models feature a sealed, maintenance-free bearing to ensure maximum reliability and contribute to a long machine life. With Scotsman's expansive lineup of Undercounter ice machines, you get the reliability your facility requires while saving space and maximizing ice output. Visit www.scotsman-ice.com for more information on our products and brand, as well as access to our interactive sales and marketing tools.